Let's walk through how to install your new hand and foot controls. It's quick and easy. All you need is a flathead screwdriver. First things first, unplug the table from the wall. Now, remove the dust cover that's attached with Velcro. Grab your screwdriver and insert into the groove and push the tab to slide off the control box cover. If you have a hand or foot control to replace, just remove the plug from the control box and replace it with the new one. If you have multiple controllers, you will need to unplug the splitter from the control box. Then, snap off the little cover on the splitter and remove the old plugs. Go ahead, plug in the new hand or foot control plugs right into the splitter. Once that's done, snap the splitter cover back on and plug the splitter back into the unit. Now, slide the control box cover back into place, pop the dust cover on, and plug the table back into the power outlet. That's it. Give the new controllers a test to make sure everything's functioning properly.